Darling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night. Plotting, scheming, finding reason to defend.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Rumill. Today I am back with another wig review. This wig is from ISEE Hair. They sent me one of their newest half wigs, so let's unbox her. So this is the Kinky straight half wig from ISEE Hair. I have it in the length 24 inches and this is in the density of 180. It has a really nice breathable cap, super stretchy. It has a pre-flipped hairline, so all we have to do is just put this wig on and it'll blend instantly. You have the adjustable strap right here. You also have the drawstring here at the bottom, as well as a wig comb. There's also 3 wig combs up top as well, so there's a total of 4 combs. Also on each side of the cap, you have these adjustable straps here that are built in. So tons of security on this wig. I really like the texture of this hair. It's very thick, super soft. And as you can see, I'm running my fingers through it. I'm not experiencing any tangling and I'm not experiencing any shedding as well. And it smells really good. So this hair has been cleaned and it has been disinfected. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned. Let's go ahead and blow dry my hair, get it prepped.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Okay, so my hair has been blown out and now what we're gonna do is honestly just put it in a ponytail. We're just gonna comb it back.
Soundstripe.
So I just put it in a little bun like so. Next, we're gonna put on a wig cap. This is just gonna help the wig stay in place, obviously.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
So we got the wig on. Now what I'm gonna do is just take my rat tail comb and I'm just gonna lightly take out my leave out, okay? This is what it looks like so far. so this is my leave out. It looks very natural. I don't have the thickest edges, but as you can see, because that hairline is already pre-flipped, it just helps blend so much easier. So next, what I'm gonna do is just touch up my leave out with some edge control, and then we will go from there. You guys, look, it's blending so well. Okay, so we're done with that. So let's just simply flip the hair over.
Soundstripe.
You guys, this looks so good. It's so full. Oh my god, it's so full and fluffy, and like I didn't even have to like actually style the hair. I literally just did my leave out. Let me show you guys what the back looks like. Remember, this is 24 inches and I am 5'2". There are so many different styles that you can do with this wig. You can do the classic flip over, which is what I just did. You could do like a half up, half down. You could do buns. You could do half braids. And then this, what I'm gonna do, since my hair is still short and I'm still growing it out, I can't necessarily do a full half up, half down. So I'm just gonna play it safe and I'm gonna use a headband. And so yeah, this is another style that you can do. It keeps the hair out of your face and you still look really cute. And I'm gonna use gray. I don't have white. I wish I did have a white one, but I don't have white. I have this grayish looking headband, so this is what we'll use.
Soundstripe.
Oh my god, you guys, this is so cute. Let me give you guys an up close look. And then look, you guys, you could even put this into a ponytail and do it like this if you want. But I'm gonna wear mine's down because it's so full and it looks so good. Alrighty guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you ISEE Hair for sending me this gorgeous full half wig. This thing is perfect, you guys. I will have everything about this wig linked in the description box. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.